Welcome to our multi-part interview series, where we delve into the unsettling experiences faced by Stephen, who believes he's been subjected to deliberate harassment using advanced technology. Today, we explore Stephen's initial description of the phenomenon and attempt to identify the type of machine involved. Stephen, thank you for joining us today and sharing your experiences. Can you describe the phenomenon you've observed and the device you suspect is being used?
Thank you for having me. The device, I believe, is used to harass me by targeting my right foot. Although I couldn't see it, I could hear and feel its effects. The sound it made was a low mechanical rumbling, similar to a semi-truck idling. There was also a left-right mechanical motion, which I think is similar to a radar system. The device seems to emit electromagnetic radiation that causes currents in my foot, which are extremely annoying.
That sounds incredibly distressing. Can you elaborate on how the device behaves without any external inputs and any notable features it might have?
Without any external inputs, the device emits a low rumbling noise and seems to have a left-right scanning motion. I believe this motion creates currents in my foot, making it feel very uncomfortable. It seems like the offender uses some kind of Doppler or radar to locate my foot quickly. If I raise my foot, I still feel the currents. Standing on insulating materials like plastic garbage bags helps reduce the sensation.
To better understand Stephen's experience, we consulted an expert in electromagnetic radiation and radar systems. Brian, based on Stephen's description, what can you tell us?
Based on Stephen's description, it is likely that the offender is using a homemade impulse radar system. This system emits short bursts of high-frequency electromagnetic radiation to detect and track objects, possibly human limbs. The sensation in Stephen's right foot suggests induced eddy currents caused by the rapidly changing electromagnetic fields produced by the radar. The low mechanical rumbling noise is probably from the device's switching components, generating high-voltage pulses to drive the radar antenna. The left-right motion indicates a mechanically rotating or electronically beam-steered radar antenna.
Stephen, your experience is not only physically distressing, but also deeply invasive. It's important to recognize that this kind of harassment violates personal boundaries and can have significant psychological impacts. We hope that by bringing attention to your story, we can foster a greater understanding and encourage those facing similar situations to seek help.
We strongly urge you to consider seeking assistance from local law enforcement or legal counsel. Protecting yourself against unwanted electromagnetic radiation exposure is crucial, and we commend your efforts in finding ways to reduce the sensation.
In this first part of our interview series, we've laid the groundwork for understanding the device and its effects on Stephen. Stay tuned for the next part, where we will delve deeper into the implications of such harassment and explore possible solutions and support systems for those affected.